Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete wallet on your Trust wallet. Alright, so you cannot delete your wallet. Like once you create your wallet, it is there forever, but you can remove it from your Trust wallet, right? Because in Trust wallet, you can open multiple wallet at the same time. Just like in Facebook, you can open multiple accounts in the same time and switch through one account into another. In Trust wallet as well, you can open multiple wallet at the same time and switch from one wallet to other, and basically that's you can do. So how to delete wallet which you don't want? First step, make sure you transfer all the crypto out of the wallet over there. All right, once you do that, what you need to do is, before moving forward, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step for future videos just like this related with Trust wallet and crypto. All right, now let's move on. Now once you do that, you want to click on Resist settings over here, and on the settings of your Trust wallet, you can see the wallets option at the top. Click on it. Once you click on it, all of the wallet which you have logged in, or like which you have signed in into your Trust wallet on your mobile, it's going to be displayed over here. But since I only have one wallet right now, it only shows me one. All right, so after you choose the wallet which you want to delete, you want to swipe to the right like this, and you can see the delete option. You can click on delete, your wallet will be deleted. But for some people, or like in some Android phone, like the swipe feature is not available. In that case, click on the three dot and it's gonna bring you over here. Once you're over here, you can click on the dustbin little icon and click on OK, and it's gonna ask you to enter your Trust wallet's password. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and after you enter your password, it should be deleted just like this. So yeah, that's how simple it is to delete your Trust wallet. Just remember this: if you still have that 12-word recovery phrase, you can still log in into your Trust wallet account again. Alright, so you need to keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.